because they want to see whether they will emerge in the upcoming Third National People's Assembly before they decide whether they will remain in the EFF or not. Many of them are using the Third National People's Assembly as a threat that if they do not get elected.
Miyekeni apheke sekusho abantu phela bebona sengathi umnumzane Julius Malema uqeda amandla eqembu lakhe okweli qembu akalisungula yena phansi waze walibeke balazweni la elikhona njengamanje. Sokwenzeka abantu ke bangabaze uMalema kumuzwe ekhuluma amagama akhe engathi uqonde ukuxosha uNdlozi njengoba ke umzwile ekhuluma kanti futhi sazophinda umuzwe futhi ekhuluma ngaye uNdlozi. Kanti uzokhumbula ukuthi ke uma ngabe ekhuluma ngomuntu odumile enkundleni zokuxhumana ongaphansi kweqembu le-EFF ukhuluma ngoNdlozi ngoba uye kuphela owaziwa engathi ke uqavile la enkundleni zokuxhumana eqenjini le-EFF. Kanti ke futhi uphinde akhulume ngehlobo ezikhombisa ukuthi ke wena umi ngakuphi. Kanti emalangeni kuye kwabonakala inkosikazi kaNdlozi like ipost kaFloyd Chivambo lapho khona bekade memezela khona ukuthi ke uyayishiya i-EFF yakweqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. Nganza kwethu ingabe lokho kusho ukuthi uNdlozi naye uzolishiya leli qembu le-EFF ukuthi ke uphinde izwele bese ke uyaphawula mangabe uqeda ubale video.
How can someone say the decision to join Umkhonto Wesizwe is the best decision ever taken, and my wife Mantwa is the first one to like such a thing, and you say Julius Malema is with us when the partner likes the things that seeks to denounce the organization and where the organization stands, where the relatives, where the cousins and siblings have declared where they stand, and you still ask yourself, where does this leader stand? Look at those around him and you will know where this leader stand. Comrades,
because they want to see whether they will emerge in the upcoming Third National People's Assembly before they decide whether they will remain in the EFF or not. Many of them are using the Third National People's Assembly as a threat that if they do not get elected or are not part of the leadership discussions leading up to the conference, then they will leave and join MKP. We must never be blackmailed by those who want to threaten us with leaving after the Third National People's Assembly. I want to say to them, leave now. Leave now so that we can know how many soldiers we have in this struggle to liberate our people. You must leave today because nothing is going to change between now and December. Nothing is going to change now and in the future. The future looks bright because we determine it today. We are here to make our destiny for how the future looks like tomorrow. Leave now. We have no reason to beg anyone. If you want to leave, leave now and leave us alone. Even if we are alone, we'll always continue to speak truth to power. It's very painful.